We here at Mothercare run Expectant Parent Events on a monthly basis in stores nationwide, where we invite experts into the store just to demonstrate products that might be your main purchases, but also just to offer advice so that the product suits your lifestyle.
Hi, my name is Trina and I'm a practice nurse and midwife. I love attending these talks here at Mothercare for expectant parents. I go through the birth and caring for your baby in its first few days. These talks are invaluable to expectant parents to get them ready for the journey of parenthood ahead.
At the end of the event, you're given a goodie bag with a 10% off voucher, more information and also a hospital checklist. But the biggest thing is that you're entered into a competition to win €200 Mothercare voucher.
Because there's just so many products and you don't know what you might need, you don't know
Or what you actually need and what you really need.
yeah.
The midwife talking like about the bathing and where to put their nappy like down low because of their belly button and gunk in their eyes and stuff, like things that I would never have known.
Mine was the baby bath and putting them to sleep, because you assume that you know from seeing videos or other people doing it, but you just don't know what to expect sometimes. So it's really informative to see the feet to foot in the crib or how to hold them in the bath.
You know, reading off the internet or reading out of books, it's actual real life practical advice, and that was really good. Absolutely, I'd recommend it, yeah.
100%.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's incredible, yeah, 100%
really
recommend
good.
it.